has been drawing way behind to force interoperability between major digital platforms. But companies can work the issue too. Companies like Sunbird may be well called a phoenix since it's back from the dead. Sunbird has built a proper Android app that promises proper support for iMessage. Is that necessary now that Apple still supports RCS? The company points out that RCS messaging still appears in a green bubble to iPhone users. Some features like reaction replies and messages group features still does not work when RCS gets involved. So Sunbird, the app promises full support for iMessage chats without requiring additional hardware. It also uses RCS and SMS and MMS, so all the text can be resized inside a single app. The Sunbird app promises full support for iMessage chats. The Sunbird app promises that you will also can download from Google Play Store. Note that it's now a paid app. You get a 14-day free trial, and after paying $29.99 a month or $24.99 a year, the company says 33% installed of the free trials, 8% of them have converted customers. The company still promises that messages will be encrypted on the device and you will not be stored on Sunbird servers longer than it's necessary to send them to other chat members. The company does not have the best track record when it comes to security. In 2023, Sunbird partnered with Nothing for Nothing Chats. However, in less than a week, the Sunbird powered Chats app was put up from the Play Store over privacy concerns. And few days later, Sunbird service was shut down. It lays dormant since then, or the app was reworked with it now being written as a closed beta. It's available for all to try once as a part of the open beta source. The new primary and secondary tabs, it has that. The two tabs you can sort it out now. People you talk to can be filed under the primary tab with one-off messages, and messages from unknown number goes into the secondary tab. The company has big plans. It's plans to add support for WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger chat, so you can do all your texting within one app. The app is currently in with features, and it's in development of late stage, and is expected to launch in Q3. All features are in work, of course. Onboard Intelligence will add an onboard chat summary feature that will help catch you busy chats. Also, you'll have a built-in on-device assistant that will be able to carry out simple tasks while writing a reply to messages. The AI features are planned for Q3 launch as well.